quiz lovers! Quiz Helper here again with another free Canva template. Today I present to you a Guess the X quiz template. Great for guessing the character, movie, song, and much more. This template is in a similar style of the popular quiz channel Quiz Blitz. Now let's go over what the template includes. In this template you will find the page button number, the title of the quiz, the audio waves, the shorter size timer bar, the choice boxes, the correct answer choice box, and the video preview answer box. Now, here's a tutorial video on one of many ways to modify this template. But, as always, feel free to use your own creativity. As usual, the first thing I do is add one of my many backgrounds available on this channel, free to use for all subscribers. I send the video to the back and adjust the size. I trim this background later again in this video. I click on the quiz title and adjust it to the beginning of the video. I set it to 2 seconds. I add a pulse animation to this title. Now I click on the audio wave graphic and have it come in right after the quiz title ends. I customize the length, and I add a pop animation for enter and exit. Now I click on the timer bar and have it come in right after the audio waves end. I adjust the length, and I also add a pop animation to it. Then I move the correct answer choice box, which is the one highlighted in green, and move it over the matching option. I have this box pop in after the timer ends, adding a pop and wiggle animation. I also make sure to have the original choice box disappear. I then edit the video answer box, which is located toward the end of the Canva template, with a pop and wiggle animation. I then adjust it to come few seconds after the correct choice box. You should then have something that looks similar to this. And there you have it! A new fun and exciting quiz template for your YouTube quiz video channel. Free to use for all subscribers. Thank you so much for your patience and support. I'll see you guys in the next video.